What if everything you thought you knew about business communication was about to change? Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is transforming business communication and discuss strategies for preparing the next generation of business professionals for this evolving environment. The groundbreaking discovery that redefines the field of business communication is happening right now. In today's rapidly evolving environment, we're witnessing a fundamental shift in how organizations communicate. Our data revealed something astonishing. 93% of executives now consider AI tools essential for digital transformation. This isn't just a trend, it's a transformation reshaping both internal and external business communication. The surprising truth? Over half of organizations have already integrated AI into their operations, with communication being a primary focus. Here's the unexpected twist that's changing the game. According to Harvard Business Review, AI implementation has led to a 37% improvement in collaboration efficiency. We're seeing faster response times in customer service and more personalized interactions. But the profound insight that transforms your perspective is this: the real power lies in the synergy between AI capabilities and human creativity. This combination is driving unprecedented improvements in clarity, responsiveness, and engagement. The hidden force behind it all is revealed. Prompt engineering isn't just a technical skill, it's becoming a core business competency. The data revealed something astonishing. Employees skilled in prompt engineering receive 42% higher positive performance evaluations. According to the World Economic Forum, effective prompts can improve AI accuracy by 68%. This demonstrates how crucial it is to teach students not just how to use AI, but how to communicate effectively with it. The thing that's catching everyone off guard is just how important contextual intelligence has become. That's the skill of knowing what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. But here's the twist no one expected. Professionals now have to understand when and how to use AI in their communication. And the piece that often gets overlooked: adaptability and human-centered communication are absolutely essential, especially when you're working across different teams. In the end, it's all about finding the sweet spot between tech know-how and creativity to make collaboration really work. Here's what most people get wrong about AI and business communication. Human creativity remains irreplaceable. The surprising connection nobody ever talks about. Studies show that human and AI collaboration increases problem-solving effectiveness by 47%. This highlights an important point. The revolutionary idea that changes everything is that AI enhances rather than replaces human creativity. We're finding that hybrid approaches, combining human insight with AI capabilities, are particularly effective in strategic communication and innovation. The untapped potential waiting to be unleashed is in how we prepare students for this new reality. We need to integrate AI tools across the curriculum in practical, hands-on ways. The breakthrough that unlocks limitless possibilities is having students analyze AI-generated business messages, improve AI drafts, and most importantly, learn to discern when AI use is appropriate and when human input is more valuable. The profound lesson that transforms your understanding is that ethics must be at the forefront of AI communication education. The turning point that reshapes the future. Structured ethical guidelines have proven effective in reducing AI-related communication issues. The critical insight everyone else missed is that we need to emphasize transparency and accountability to build trust in AI-powered communication. This includes comprehensive ethical training to prevent misuse and promote responsible practices. The unspoken truth is about to be revealed. One of our key challenges is explaining technical AI concepts to diverse audiences. What follows will challenge your assumptions. We need to address varying levels of skill development needs across teams and foster cultural acceptance of AI tools through effective internal communication strategies. A radical shift in perspective reveals the hidden power of teaching students how to write clear instructions for AI use in the workplace. The unexpected connection nobody ever talks about is developing comprehensive guides for combining AI and human skills in business communication. the secret weapon hidden in plain sight, preparing students for emerging technologies like virtual reality and advanced AI tools. This is where everything changed. Practical application became crucial. The game-changing moment is here. Students should learn to write user guides and tip sheets for AI tools, practice improving AI outputs through editing and refinement, and work on projects that develop clear, actionable materials for AI communication tools. The stunning reality nobody expected. Our goal is to equip students with the skills they need to thrive in AI-enhanced communication environments. The unexpected solution emerged from a comprehensive approach to education that balances technical skills with human elements. To lead this change effectively, I encourage you to adopt Business Communication Today, 16th edition by Bovee and Thill, published by Pearson. This comprehensive resource provides the tools and frameworks needed to prepare students for the AI-enhanced business world. What happens next will leave you in awe. Order your examination copy today using the link provided in the comments section below. Or, if you prefer, contact your local Pearson representative using the rep locator below. Discover the possibilities this exciting new edition offers you and your students.